Hey everyone! Welcome back to Easy Handmade Ideas, the place where creativity comes to life. I'm Marina, and today we've got something truly special for you. We're going to learn the art of origami by making a cute and buzzing origami bee. So grab your paper and let's dive right in. I suggest you consider my variation of a craft, how to make origami bee. You can start working with a child on today's craft with a story about these insects. And only after that, try to make a bee from paper according to the suggested masterclass. It will take you about 15 minutes to make this craft. Okay, let's get started. Materials required: a square of yellow one-sided paper, scissors, glue stick, black marker. Step 1. Prepare the necessary materials and tools. Step 2. Make a triangle from the square. The first thing to note is that you do not need a square for the bee, only a triangle. So fold your blank diagonally and cut it with scissors. You will end up with 2 triangles, but you only need 1. Step 3. Make a square from a triangle. Unfold this triangle with the white side up. The side bottom corners of the triangle, you need to fold it to the top. Step 4. Make wings for the bee. Now fold the same corners down again, but at a slight angle. These will be the pieces for the bee's wings. Step 5. Fold the upper corner. Fold the upper part towards you. You'll use it to make a bee's head. Step 6. Fold the upper corner 3 times. You will need to divide this folded piece into 3 parts. To do this, unfold the folded upper corner and fold it into thirds. Step 7. Fix the blank with glue. Next, glue the folded down corner. Step 8. Make the sides of the bee. You need to form the sides of your craft. To do this, fold them to the back side and fix them with glue. Step 9. Turn the handicraft over. This is what our bee will look like from the other side. Here you need to fold her wings a little and fix them with glue. Step 10. Color the bee. Now it's time to use a black marker. Paint the front part of the craft completely with it. It is the head of the bee. After that, carefully lift the wings and draw stripes. Step 11. Enjoy your results. You will get such a bee from paper as on the video. I offer you a life hack. Make the same craft, but with red paper. And instead of stripes, draw black dots with a marker. This is a little hack to make an origami ladybird using the same method as the bee. And there you have it, a delightful origami bee. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to rewind and try it again. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative tutorials. Until next time, happy folding!